This is number 47 in our chapter review for chapter 5, where we're asked to multiply and simplify. And so obviously in number 47 we have a binomial being multiplied by a binomial, so that means we have to FOIL. So we have to take first times first. Well, 2 root a times 3 root a would be 2 times 3 times root a times root a. And 2 times 3 is 6, and root a times root a is a. Then we have to multiply outside times outside. We'll have 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8. And then we have root a times root b, which is just root 8b. Then we have inside times inside. Root b times 3 root a would be plus 3 root ab. And then we have last times last. 1 root b times negative 4 root b would be negative 4 root b, which is b. Now the only thing left that we can do here is we can take these root ab's and we can combine them as one. Negative 8 root ab plus 3 root ab would be negative 5 root ab. There's nothing more that we can do with the 6a, and there's nothing more that we can do with the 4b. So our final answer would be 6a minus 5 root ab plus or minus 4b.